In a world where sweatpants became our new wardrobe and talking to houseplants was considered a legitimate conversation, there emerged a savior: TikTok. When life threw us lemons, TikTok didn't just make lemonade, it whipped it up a 3-course gourmet meal with a side of entertainment. Who needs traditional dance lessons when you can learn the latest moves from a dancing potato? TikTok turned us all into dance aficionados. And let's not forget the culinary escapades. Attempting a gourmet meal? Nope, burnt toast it is. But hey, it's all about the effort. Our furry friends became viral sensations with their comical reactions to strange sounds. Who knew a squeaky toy could bring so much joy? TikTok showed us that elegance is overrated. Tripping over your own feet while trying to be graceful? That's the real art. Remember those easy DIY projects you tried? TikTok showcased the unfiltered reality of crafting, and it was a masterpiece of chaos. Babies trying to talk like adults, TikTok turned toddler babble into award-winning performances. But as we laughed, danced, and stumbled our way through TikTok, something peculiar happened. Our attention spans began to shrink faster than a cotton candy in a rainstorm. Can we survive the allure of the endless scroll? Or will our brains become a swirl of dance moves, pranks, and cat videos? In today's episode of Science Curiosities, we embark on a journey to explore the captivating world of TikTok, where attention spans shrink, hashtags reign supreme, and viral sensations can alter the very fabric of our thoughts. Are we in control, or has TikTok shaped us in ways we never imagined? Join us as we delve into the complex, contradictory, and utterly irresistible realm of TikTok. TikTok's short video format has been associated with a decrease in attention span. Spending over 90 minutes on the app can narrow your collective attention span over time. With new trends emerging on TikTok every day, users can easily find relatable content through trending hashtags. The lockdown saw an increase in screen time, leading to a surge in TikTok users. While there is no scientific evidence that apps like Instagram and Facebook impact attention spans as significantly, constant exposure to any content does affect the brain. A study titled Accelerating Dynamics of Collective Attention, published in Nature Communications, revealed a significant decrease in people's attention spans over time. For example, in 2013, a top hashtag on average stayed on top for 17.5 hours, but by 2016, it only stayed for 11.9 hours. Many users have reported that they used to watch 10 to 30-minute videos, but now lose interest in just a few minutes, despite being genuinely interested in the content. A previous report even highlighted an increase in tics among teen girls following viral Tourette videos shared on TikTok. So should people stop using TikTok? Despite these concerns, TikTok offers relatable, unfiltered, and often heartwarming and humorous content, including discussions on mental health. Mental health professionals like Thea Gallagher, PsyD, suggest that TikTok can bring awareness to mental health conditions, making young people more comfortable discussing and managing their symptoms. Psychiatrist Dr. David J. Puder adds that most mental health videos on TikTok are positive, promoting understanding of the mind and reducing stigma around mental health treatment. However, Dr. Gallagher cautions against consuming information blindly. She advises users to be careful when giving or taking advice, as misinformation can be harmful. She emphasized that TikTok should not replace therapy or professional help. It's essential to reach out to a therapist or mental health professional when needed and to conduct research on evidence-based treatments for specific conditions. So whether you're dancing, laughing, or learning on TikTok, remember to strike a balance, because in this digital age, our attention is a precious resource. As our TikTok adventure comes to an end, we're left with a profound realization. TikTok may have brought laughter and chaos into our lives, but it also sparked a collective transformation. It's a place where the ordinary becomes extraordinary, where the absurd is celebrated, and where creativity knows no bounds. TikTok has shown us that in times of uncertainty, we can find joy, inspiration, and connection in the most unexpected places. So whether you're perfecting your dance moves, attempting culinary masterpieces, or just being yourself, remember that TikTok, like life itself, is a journey worth taking. As we bid farewell to this captivating world of 10-second fame, let's carry the lessons learned, the laughter shared, and the connections made into our everyday lives. Until next time, keep scrolling, keep dancing, and keep being your wonderfully unique selves. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to Science Times. Come back for more interesting science videos answering questions that will make you more curious. We also invite you to follow us on social media and join our community. See you again in Science Times Science Curiosities.